The Dyson V16 and Shark Vertex Pro are top contenders in the cordless vacuum space, each bringing powerful performance and innovative features. Here's a quick comparison to help you decide. Dyson V16, suction power, exceptional suction with advanced hyperdymium motor technology for deep cleaning. Battery life, up to 60 minutes of runtime, ideal for large spaces. Filtration, whole machine HEPA filtration captures allergens, making it great for allergy sufferers. Design, sleek and lightweight with laser detection for spotting hidden dust. Accessories, includes versatile attachments for various cleaning needs. Shark Vertex Pro, suction power, strong performance with Duo Clean PowerFins technology for both carpets and hard floors. Battery life, up to 60 minutes of runtime with a removable battery for extended cleaning sessions. Filtration, anti-allergen complete seal traps dust and allergens effectively. Design, slightly bulkier but offers a self-cleaning brush roll to prevent hair tangles. Accessories, comes with multiple tools including a pet power brush. Which one wins? Choose the Dyson V16 for cutting-edge technology, unmatched suction, and premium design. Opt for the Shark Vertex Pro if you want excellent value, versatile cleaning tools, and a tangle-free experience. Both are excellent choices, so your decision depends on your specific cleaning priorities.